Hi everyone, this is Josie with firstofcoffee.com. In this stitch tutorial, we're going to go over how to do the half double crochet slip stitch back loop only. I really like using this stitch in scarves and cowls to give a unique texture. As you can see, it gives a little spaced ribbed appearance. And it does have the same appearance on both sides. Okay, to do this stitch, you're going to need a row of previous stitches. You can't do this on a foundation chain since it is worked in the back loop. So here I have an initial row of half double crochet slip stitch. So to start, you'll just want to chain one and turn your work. Now looking from the top here, this isn't going to count as a stitch, this chain we just created. And you see the V's here. What you're going to do is you're going to want to work into this first one, the back loop only. So you're going to just want to go between the V's and under that back portion of the V. So to do the first one, you'll yarn over, insert your hook into that back V, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through both loops that are on the hook. Okay, so you'll just want to repeat that all the way through the row. So on the next stitch, when you're looking from the top, you have the V. You'll yarn over, insert your hook into the middle, and go under that back portion of the V. Then yarn over and bring up your loop. And like the regular half double crochet slip stitch, it's easier just to turn it to the back and pull up instead of trying to turn it to the front. So just to show you for a third time, yarn over, insert into that back loop, yarn over again, pull up your loop, and pull through all the loops on your hook. You'll just do that all the way across your row.